Hello students, we start our lesson Internet and Email. The word Internet is a combination of two words, interconnection and network. The Internet is a network of thousands of computers across the world. In short, the Internet is a network of computer networks. The Internet is not owned by anybody, but there are various organizations that manage different parts of the Internet. Uses of the Internet. Email. Full name, electronic mail. Email is used to send mails through the Internet. Using emails, you can exchange text messages, pictures, sound, etc. with other Internet users across the world in just a few seconds. You only need to have an email account, which is provided free of cost by most servers. Second, news groups. News groups are used to exchange views, ideas, news, and other information. An internet user can directly participate in discussions on different topics. Number 3, online chatting and conferences. Internet users across the world can communicate live without one another. There are special software to have audio or video conferences on the Internet. Number 4, other uses. Number 1, buying and selling products through advertisement on the Internet. Managing bank accounts. Studying a subject of one's choice and obtaining a degree. Reading news groups, newspapers, magazines, etc. Watching movies, playing games, listening to music, also. Ordering books, sending greeting cards. Okay. Internet terminology. Number 1, network. It is a group of computers which are connected to each other for communicating and sharing resources. There are two kinds of network. Number 1, LAN, full name is Local Area Network. It connects computers within one building. Computers in LAN are usually connected with cables. Number 2, Wide Area Network. It connects computers over long distances. Computers in WAN are usually connected by telephone lines or broadband. The Internet is a WAN. Number 2, World Wide Web, short name is WWW. It is a collection of all websites on the Internet. Number 3, search engine. It is a site on the Internet with the help of which a user can search for other websites. A user can research the web on the basis of the keywords he gives. Google is one of the most popular search engines. Getting connected to the Internet. All modern computers and laptops are capable for connecting to the Internet. To get connected to the Internet, you need number 1, a computer running Windows. Number 2, an account with an Internet service provider. Short name is ISP. Your ISP is a link between your computer and the Internet. There are 3 ways of getting connected to the Internet. Number 1, modem. You can connect to the Internet using a modem. A modem is an electronic device that connects your PC to a telephone line to enable you to use the Internet. This is known as dial-up connection. Though it is cheap, it is very slow. Number 2, broadband connection. The most popular way is to have your telephone line, also known as a landline, converted to broadband so that you can use the telephone for calls and for the Internet at the same time. Number 3, mobile internet, जो आप सब यूज करते हो. If you don't have a landline or if you want to use the Internet when you are out, you can see or use mobile Internet from any mobile network provider This can be used anywhere where there is a mobile signal, but it can be slower and more expensive than broadband through a landline. You can also connect it to the internet using a direct or dedicated connection. You do not need an individual modem for your computer, and you need not dial to connect to the internet. The computer is always connected to the internet. This method is expensive and so only large organizations use it. The speed of a modem measured in bps bytes per second or kbps kilobytes per second. 1 kbps is equal to 1000 bytes per second. Okay. World Wide Web, WWW. World Wide Web or WWW is a collection of all websites on the internet. All these websites are linked into one another to form a global web of information. Number 1. Web browser. A program for getting connected to www or viewing any information on it. Microsoft Internet Explorer is a web browser. Number 2. Web server. A program or a computer that stores all websites. Number 3. Website. A collection of web pages linked to one another. Number 4. Web page. A single page of information like text, images, sound, video clips on a website. 5. Home page. The first page of a website. 6. Hyperlink. A web address on a web page. It is a shortcut to another web page. It could be an image or text, picture or hypertext. URL. Universal Resource Locator. It is the address of a website on the internet. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard coding language used for creating web pages. It is a set of marked codes or symbols that tells the browser how to display a web page. Each markup code is called an element or a tag. URL. Universal Resource Locator. URL is the address of a website on the internet. For example, the URL of Navneet Education Limited is number 1 http www, number 2, number 3 Navneet and .com, number 4. Protocol number 1 web, number 2 host type are also called domain name. Okay. Number 1 protocol. Most web addresses begin with http hypertext transmission protocol. This protocol sends web pages from the web server to your computer. The letters HTTP are always followed by colon and 2 forward slashes. Number 2 web. Most web addresses have www after http /. Number 3 host. This is the name of the website. This name could be the name of a company, business house, news agency, etc. In this example, Navneet is the name of the host. Number 4 type of site. This part of the website tells you what type of website a website is. .com stands for commercial sites. This means that Navneet is a commercial site. The host and the type of site are together called domain name. In this case, the domain name is navneet.com. .com यानी कि commercial. Types of domain names. Domain names are based on either on the type of organizations or geographical area, country. Some of the domain names based on the type of organizations are as follow. .com commercial organization. .gov government organization. .org non-profit making organization. .edu यानी कि educational institutions like हमारे SDETS. .net large networks. Some of the domain names based on geographical regions are as follows: .in India, .au Australia, .us United States, .uk United Kingdom, .cn China, .jp Japan, .pk Pakistan, and .ca Canada. Working of the www. A web browser is used to send a request for information to the web server. The web server receives the request and sends the information back to the web browser. In short, a web server stores all the information and the web browser displays requested information to the user. Since we are using Windows operating system, Microsoft Internet Explorer will be our web browser. Open Internet Explorer. Number 1, Start button, open the Start menu. Number 2, Internet Explorer, open Internet Explorer. Number 1, to open Internet Explorer, first you must get connected to the Internet. Click on Start button on the taskbar. You will see the Start menu. यहाँ से कर सकते हैं इंटरनेट स्टार्ट. क्लिक हियर, अंदर लिखा है ऑन द स्टार्ट मेनू. यू विल सी ए लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स ऑन द लेफ्ट पैन. Click on the browser will automatically connect to the default home page www.google.com. Remember, the default home page could be different in different computers. You can change the default home page according to your liking. लिंकिंग. हमारा जो भी होम पेज होता है हमारे स्क्रीन पर ऐसे दिखता है. ये डिफरेंट वेब ब्राउजर पर डिफरेंट होता है, डिफरेंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पर. हम उसे अपने जैसे चाहते हैं अपने मनपसंद अनुसार, अपनी पसंद अनुसार सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसे कहते हैं एक्टिव बार, इसे कहते हैं मेनू बार, इसे कहते हैं टाइटल बार, इसे कहते हैं एड्रेस बार, सबसे नीचे स्टेटस बार. ये है कनेक्टिविटी आइकॉन और ये है हमारे गूगल का सर्च इंजन. द इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर विंडो टाइटल बार. द टाइटल बार डिस्प्लेज द नेम ऑफ द करंट वेब पेजेस, द वेब पेजेस दैट यू आर व्यूइंग, जो आप देख रहे हैं. Name of the current web page. On the right hand side of the title bar you can see 3 buttons: minimize, restore down and close down. Click on minimize to minimize the Explorer window. The window disappears from the desktop. Now you can see only the icon Internet Explorer on the taskbar. To see this Explorer window again, just click on the icon button on the taskbar. Click on restore button to make the Explorer window smaller. In the smaller window, this button changes to maximize button. Click on maximize button to see the windows in the original size again. Click on close button to close Explorer window. Number 2, addresses bar. It displays the address of the website that you are visiting. If you want to visit another site, delete the current URL and type a new URL like this. Okay. On the left hand corner of the address bar, you can see 2 buttons: back button and forward button. Okay. मतलब कि recent pages. Click on back button to go back to the web pages you visited before the current one. Click on forward button to go to next page, the page you visited before you use the back button. Click on the arrow to the right to see a list of all web pages that you are recently visited. On the right side of the address bar, you can see 2 important buttons. Click on refresh to refresh a web page. Refresh यानी कि अगर हमारा वेब पेज सही तरह से लोड नहीं हुआ है तो उसे हम रिफ्रेश कर सकते हैं. It is used to download the latest content of a web page. Click on stop to stop downloading process. Number 3, menu bar. The menu bar contains the main menus, file, edit, view, format, favorites, tools and help. These menus contain a list of commands that you use while viewing web pages. Number 4. Active tab. The Active tab shows the name of the web page or the website that you are currently viewing. Note the change in the Active tab during the process of downloading and after the download is complete. जब हमारा डाउनलोडिंग चालू होता है तब कैसा दिखाई दे रहा है और जब डाउनलोड कंप्लीट हो गया है तब कैसा दिखाई दे रहा है, दोनों के बीच डिफरेंट है, देख लो. नंबर 5. Status bar. It displays the current status of the Explorer window. डाउनलोड इज कंप्लीट. जब हो जाएगा डाउनलोड तब हमारा स्टेटस बार पर डन लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा. ये डिफरेंट वेब ब्राउजर पर डिफरेंट हो सकता है. When the whole web pages appears on the screen, you will see the word done on the left side of the status bar. You can also see the connectivity icon which is displayed when you are connected to the internet. Visit a website. Go to a website or a web page. Number 1. Connect to the internet and open Internet Explorer. It displays the default home page. ये हमारे गूगल का डिफॉल्ट होम पेज है. Number 2. Click in the address bar. The entire URL will be selected. Number 3. Please press the delete key to delete the current URL. Okay. Number 4. Type in the URL of the website that you want to visit. For example, type the http www.nowneat.com. Number 5. Click on Go or press Enter key. The browser will start downloading the website. ये हमारी नवनीत की वेबसाइट डाउनलोडिंग हो रही है. The Active tab shows the browser is connecting to the site. Processing downloading is still going on. The status bar displays the current status of the downloading. ये current status downloading is gone. When the downloading is done, you will see the home page of the nowneat.com. ये हमारे नवनीत का होम पेज है. The status bar displays the word done, which means the browser has finished downloading of entire page. The Active tab now displays the name of the website along with internet icon. Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks means कोई टेक्स्ट या पिक्चर जिसको हम क्लिक करने से दूसरे वेब पेज पर जा सकते हैं. Go. Number 1. Back. Go back to the web page you visited before the current one. Forward. Go to next page. The page you visited before. You use the back button. A hyperlink is a shortcut to another web page. A hyperlink allows you to visit a web page or a website without typing in its URL. A hyperlink could be an image or text. When you point to a hyperlink, arrow changes to look like pointing head. Connect to the internet and open www.nowneat.com. Look at the hyperlinks on the home page. ओके. यहाँ हम क्लिक करेंगे तो हमारी हैंड हो जाएगा. ये माउस पॉइंटर है ना, ये तो हैंड हो जाएगा, जिसे कहते हैं हाइपरलिंक. क्लिक ऑन ए हाइपरलिंक इमेज गिवन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द होम पेज. ये हाइपरलिंक है. यू विल सी द फॉलोइंग वेब पेज. ऑन दिस page also you can see many hyperlinks. Click on a hyperlink to go to that web page. Number 3. Click on back button to go back to the page which you visited before the current one. Here you will go back to the home page of nowneat.com. Number 4. On the home page, click on forward button to go to the page you visited before you use back button. Number 5. Go back to the home page navneet.com. Number 6. Place the mouse pointer our business hyperlink. You will see drop down list. Point here. Okay, business पर. Click on publications. You will go to a new page. ये हमारा publications का पेज आ जाएगा. The title of the web page that you are viewing is displayed in red. Which color? Red. Use the scroll bar to go through the entire page. The publications page tell you about different categories of publications. These are also hyperlinks. Click on No More on Children Books hyperlinks. You will see the following page. Okay. Use the scroll bar to go through the entire page. Number 10. Click on Home hyperlink to go directly to the home page navneet.com. Use stop, refresh and home buttons. Number 1. Stop the downloading process. Number 2. Refresh a web page. It is used to download the latest current content of a web page. Number 3. Home page. Go to the default home page. Number 1. Connect to the internet and open navneet.com. The browser start downloading the home page of navneet.com. ये अब हमारा होम पेज आ गया. The active tab shows that the process of downloading the web page is going on. The status bar shows that still 6 items are still remaining to be downloaded. Number 2. Click on stop to press the escape key. यानी कि हमारे कीबोर्ड की लेफ्ट साइड की सबसे ऊपर वाली की escape key to stop downloading the page. The active tab shows that the downloading has stopped. The click on refresh button or F5 key to restart downloading. हमारे फंक्शन की में जो F5 की होती है उससे भी हम रिफ्रेश कर सकते हैं. The active tab shows that the process of downloading the page has started again. When the entire page is downloaded, the active tab will appear and you will see the word done on the status bar. 4. Click on home page home button to go to the default home page of the browser. यानी कि वेबसाइट द्वारा जो डिफॉल्ट होम पेज रेडी किया हो गया होगा वो हमारा आ जाएगा. सर्च इंजन गूगल search for information on the search engine called Google. A search engine is a site on the www which helps you to search for other websites to get any information. www.google.com. Google is one of the most popular search engines. We will use this search engine to get some information and pictures of the Sun Temple at Modhera in Gujarat. Log in to the google.com. Remember, to log in means to connect to the internet and visit a website by typing its URL in the address bar. You will see the home page of google.com. ये हम वापस आ गए गूगल पर. You can see the cursor blinking in the text box. You have to type in the search words in the text box and click on. Number 2. Type in the search words Sun Temple in the text box. As you type in your search words, you will see a drop-down list of pages that include words Sun Temple, like this. Okay. You can see the words Sun Temple Modhera in the list. Click on the words Sun Temple Modhera in the list. ओके, ये ऐसे देखो. Remember, if you do not find your search words in the drop down list, continue to type your search words and click on Google search or press enter key. Okay, you will see a page that displays the search results. It shows that at present Google has about 1,14,000 सर्च रिजल्ट्स, यानी कि 1,40,000 सर्च रिजल्ट्स hyperlinks about the Sun Temple Modera. Okay? If any confusion in this lesson, ask me or learn wisely. Okay? Thank you.